Hey, everybody. Hope you're doing good. We're at the end of the first week, and so I hope things went well. I know there were a couple of snafus, and so we will improve upon that next week. So first of all, I want to talk to you today about group assignments because that's where the snafus happen. So if you go into week 1, okay, there were 2 group assignments. Group assignments are always due by the end of the night on the day we have class, so on Thursday. So this group assignment was here. So you clicked on this group assignment, and I talked about it a little bit at the end of class, but I'll talk about it a little bit more. So first of all, you needed to watch the how to video chat on Teams video because that tells you how to contact your group on Teams, right? So if you click right here, this would have told you what the group assignment was. So in this case, what it was is that you had 3 programs and you and your partners were supposed to each type these programs in to code blocks, right? And then you were supposed to debug them because you're going to get some errors. So you're supposed to troubleshoot and find out what the errors were and write a little description about what each program did, okay? So that was the group assignment, and that is what you are supposed to do. And every week we will have a group assignment. Now, this week we had so many people, and we did 2 group assignments. We ran out of time. But normally what happens with the group assignments is that you are working on the group assignments at the end of the class, right? So you have time to start working on them. You may or may not finish it, but you at least start working with your group on those assignments, okay? Your group has to turn the group aside, has to get checked off on Teams together, okay? If you can't get in contact with your group, then you will need to send a chat message and let me know that you tried to get in contact with your group, but you were not able to. So how do you do that? If you go to Teams, right, and if you're in our programming class, basically what you would do is you would go over to chat and you would click here, and then you would add all your team members' names and you would type them a message like, let's get together. When can you get together? Whatever it is, you want to say to reach out to them. If you never hear from them, then you send me a chat message and you say, I was not able to get in contact with my group members, because then that way I have a digital timestamp of the fact that you tried and you were unable. If you can't get in contact with your group members, still go ahead and do the group assignment anyway, okay? Don't let that stop you because you need to get your points regardless. And we'll talk to your group about, we'll figure out what's going on with your group, right? Now, to get it checked off, you have to go to the ECET tutoring team. You have to go to online tutoring, and then you have to go to the tutor. So right now, as we're looking, Juan is the tutor who's tutoring right now. No, there are 3 meetings. So Juan has 1 meeting. He's tutoring. Also, this is the online meeting. Then there are 2 other meetings that are going on, and it's probably the tutor who's at North Metro and the tutor who is at the Marietta campus. So someone is at the campuses and someone is at online. So let's look at the schedule to find out who's who. So today is Friday. So Juan is at the North Metro lab, okay? Charlotte is at the Marietta lab, and Cliff is online, and Megan will be online later on today, okay? So this is how you know what the tutoring hours and who's online. You could go to any of these people's meetings and get checked off, you and your group members. All y'all have to do is click join the video chat and wait. Let the tutor know you're there and wait for your turn to get checked off. And the tutor will put, if your assignment works the way it's supposed to, the tutor will put you and your team members' names in the checkoff file, and then you are good to go. All right. So that is how you do group assignments, and they are due by the end of the day, and all members must participate in the group assignment. Okay. Now, if y'all want to get together and chat, watch the other video on how to do a group chat on Teams. All right. I hope this cleared up a lot of problems. Talk to you later. Have a good week.